In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera mini browser. When all of your apps are ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Settings. In them, scroll down to Access Apps. Then click on Default Apps and pick one of those options that you wish to manage. In my case, the browser app. Lastly, just click on your new downloaded one to apply it and hit the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!